All right, so it's like freezing out here, and it's really cold. And, you know, the ground froze, and it was raining earlier, so it's actually still raining. It's raining, and it's really cold. So now you got this. Like, the whole thing's not ice. I mean, I've seen that before, right? The table did it, too. Like, it's so weird. And then, like, it just froze over. What the heck? It's like covered, everything's covered in ice. Look at this. Like, this whole thing's just ice. Ooh, it's cold. Yeah, so, as you can see, everything is ice. It's just the craziest thing I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. Like, what the heck? It's so weird.